So Chris, tell me about what's going on with your house.
Oh my gosh, so
yeah.
you know, it's been 7 degrees, and so we were talking about what homeowners should do when it's just wicked. So I have a second home, we went down there and we did everything that John told me to do.
Guess what? This is a really cold time of year. A lot of homes are having problems if they don't know what to do. So what's the first tip I gave you?
To turn the heat up to at least 60 to 65 degrees, which I did.
Yep.
And then also to open up all the kitchen cabinets, so to your sink in the kitchen, to your bathroom. So definitely did that for sure.
Yeah, because that's going to allow all the heat to kind of get in there and prevent those pipes from freezing.
Yeah.
And what other tips do you think they're going to be good for our clients if they have a second house?
Oh, so the other thing, sometimes you want to drip water, especially if it gets really cold. By just having a little bit of water running keeps the line clear so it doesn't freeze. So I've always been told to do that, and I've always done it.
Yeah. What happens in the worst case scenario if you actually have, you know, a pipe that actually froze up on you? What are you going to do then?
So sometimes there's two things actually. Depending on how much is frozen, you could take a hairdryer to it to thaw it out a little bit so it thaws out slowly. Or the other thing, some people will turn off the water to their house and then empty all the lines out for protection.
Yeah, that's a great way to do it. I have a house on the Cape too. I'm really nervous because the temperature has dropped a lot.
Yeah.
I only set my house to 55 because that's what I've been told in the past. But I'm going to want to crank it up and open those cabinets and just get the place nice and hot because you don't want those pipes to burst.